Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I have a really exciting announcement for you guys, and I'm just like seriously so excited. So over quarantine I bought a sewing machine, and if you guys have been following me on Snapchat, which is just at Kellyprepster, I do add back and I love being able to chit chat with you guys over there, and I keep streaks and everything. I shared a story of a scrunchie I made, and I had so many of you guys swipe up saying that I should make them and sell them on Etsy. So I made a box of them. I'm seriously so excited about it because I really am getting into sewing and it's been so much fun. But I wanted to make this little announcement video to let you guys know over on my Etsy, which is just at Kellyprepster Studio. I have an Instagram page as well. You guys can shop my Etsy. You can shop my Etsy every scrunchie. They're seriously so cute, you guys, and they're like silk. And once they're gone, they're gone. They're like one time only kind of thing because the fabrics are just really random. Like I have so many different ones. I'm going to share them with you guys in this video, this batch, because I'm planning on uploading 10 new ones every week. So there's going to be just a constant flow of new scrunchies. Again, if you like a design that you like, buy it then, because there's no guarantees that there's going to be another one. But I'm going to be selling them for $3 a piece, free shipping. You get a little personalized note with it as well. The first 20 scrunchies sold will get a free Kellyprepster sticker with it, which I'm seriously so excited about. So definitely go check it out. It just means the world to me that you guys are supporting me, but also it's fun. Like this one's a Lily Pulitzer scrunchie. It's going to be on the site because I have tons of extra ones. It's so cute. So this one's like a lily one. I have this really cute pink and red and black silky one. This one's like a nautical one, which I thought was so fun for summer. And then like this one also is a nautical one with like little flags on it. But again, so different. And then I have these two gingham ones. Like this is a small one, this is a big one. This one's really pretty. It's like a red and blue flowery design, and then I have this like blue paisley one. Again, once these sell out next week, I'm hoping to add a new listing, so be sure to keep up to date on my Etsy. And over there I also have these little fun bead bracelets. A lot of you guys have found my bracelet making video, so I just added some new ones over there, so feel free again to check them out. They are $3 a piece, free shipping, and which I think is quite a deal because they're homemade. It's a small business and they're just so stinking cute. I love wearing little scrunchies. I think they just make any outfit pop, but what's so cool is they're completely one of a kind. There's never going to be a scrunchie just like this, which is so cool, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So again, be sure to check out my Etsy. It would mean the world to me. It's listed down below in the description box. I'm going to be posting them on Instagram as well. Again, all my socials are linked down below. But thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'm excited. Maybe I might make some sewing videos or something soon, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.